Let's learn how you can hide your Instagram photos without deleting them. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device you want because method is same for all phones. So first we'll have to go to Instagram and make sure you are signed into your account. Next step is to go to your profile, so you'll have to click on profile picture in bottom right corner. And now, once you're in your feed, you will just have to select photo you want to hide. For example, let's take this one. Now you'll have to click the three dots in top right corner, and this will open you a lot of settings. You will just have to go and click on archive and this backward clock. And as you can see, now the picture is hidden, archived, and not deleted. To check it, you can go to settings and go to archive and click here on top middle and just click on post archive, and it will appear here. If you want to bring it back, just click on this reload and show on profile. So that's it. Now picture will be back at your profile and you're done.